country is Djibouti. We're still in the D countries. This dish has a lot of exotic ingredients, but it's well worth finding them. Djibouti is a small country located in the crook of the Horn of Africa. It sits on the coast of the Red Sea, bordered by Ethiopia, Eritrea, and Somalia. It is much smaller than any of the other neighbors, occupying only 23,000 square kilometers. Djibouti, along with its neighbors, were historically part of the land of Punt, an ancient kingdom. Due to the proximity to the Arabian Peninsula, Islam soon spread to the land. They were ruled by sultanates from 1285 to 1577. Much later in 1894, they were colonized by the French and became part of the French Somaliland. After Somalia gained independence, referendums were held to allow Djibouti to follow. It wasn't until the third referendum that this ended up happening. Djibouti was, and always has been, an important shipping port, especially for Ethiopia, who have no coast. It is part of both the African Union and the Arab League. The capital city is also the nation's namesake, as it is also named Djibouti. Arabic, French, and Somali are all official languages, and just under 1 million people live there. Djibouti is a warm, somewhat mountainous country, and is considered a multi-ethnic nation. In a sense, Djibouti can be considered as an intersection of African and Arabian cultures. This you will need 1 cup of onions finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves pressed, 1 tablespoon berbere, 1 tablespoon sweet paprika, 1/4 cup of niter kebab. I couldn't find this, but it is very easy to make. 1 cup of green beans cut into thirds, 1 cup of carrots chopped, 1 cup of potatoes cubed, 1 cup of tomatoes chopped, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 2 cups of vegetable stock, salt and pepper to taste, and 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. Sauté the onions, garlic, berbere, and paprika in the niter kebab for 2 minutes. Add the beans, carrots, and potatoes and continue to saute for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. Add the chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, and the vegetable stock. Bring to a boil and then simmer for 15 minutes or until all the vegetables are tender. Add salt and pepper to taste. Mix with parsley. Serve with injera and yogurt or cottage cheese. Nice and spicy, but not too hot spicy, but really flavorful spicy. Lots of flavors in there. Very good.